This install can be done by either reaching down through the engine bay on some models, or on some models by removing the car's under tray if access is tight. To remove the under tray, you will need to remove 7 screws using a T10 Torx screwdriver. Once these are removed, there are 2 clips holding the front of the under tray in place. Here we can easily access the boost sensor. Feed the boost side of the wiring harness through the engine bay as shown. Unclip the factory boost connector by pivoting back its releasing tab. Whilst doing this, it is helpful to push the body of the connector further onto the boost sensor in order to take load off the clip mechanism. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine. Remove the map connector by first pulling back the locking tab and pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect our map sensor harness plug to the map sensor. Connect the factory map connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom, then place it into the provided protective bag. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place. Replace the engine under tray, ensuring all screws are reinserted. Finally, ensure that the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions.